I think psychedelics are most closely aligned to the archetype of the trickster, because you never know what's going to happen. You never know how it's going to go. You could take a microdose and all of a sudden you're like, the walls are breathing, and you have to sit down. Like, that's happened to me, or alternatively, you can take a huge dose and nothing happens, which has also happened to me. So I believe that these things are archetypal tricksters, and the trickster will not be contained. And any attempt to sort of contain or box in the trickster will always backfire, will always go awry. And um, yeah, and I think that's a good thing. I think we need a little bit of that. Um, and I think trickster is sort of one of these archetypal beings or forces that, especially especially in the context of capitalism, that wants to sort of just contain and extract everything it gets its hands on. Trickster kind of escapes that, um, or like dissolves it. It's like you eat it, and then it's kind of jumping out of you. Like it can't be killed, it can't be contained. And that's my sort of feeling with regards to this.